Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast Official. Take a slow breath in and out. Relax your shoulders. Slow down your mind and just be here. Today's lesson is not only about English, it's about something deeper, something personal, something that many people struggle with but don't always talk about. Today, we are going to learn how to respect yourself and build self-confidence in real-life English. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said yes when you really wanted to say no? Have you ever felt tired but still continued just to please others? Have you ever been hard on yourself, even for small mistakes? If yes, you are not alone. And today, we are going to change that. Not in a big, dramatic way, but in small, simple, powerful steps. Let's start with a simple idea. The way you treat yourself teaches people how to treat you. Think about that for a moment. If you always say yes, people will expect yes. If you always stay available, people will expect your time. Not because they are bad, but because you taught them, and maybe you didn't realize it. Maybe you were just trying to be kind, but kindness without limits can slowly become pressure. Imagine this. It's late at night. You are tired. You want to rest, but someone messages you, and you reply again and again and again. Slowly, it becomes a habit, and one day you feel exhausted, and you think, how did this happen? This is where one simple skill comes in. In English, we call this boundaries. Boundaries mean your limits, what is okay and what is not okay. You don't need to be rude. You don't need to explain everything. You just need to be clear. You can say, I'm not available right now. I will reply tomorrow. I need to rest. Simple, calm, respectful. Saying no does not make you a bad person. Sometimes it makes you a healthy person. Now let's go deeper. Self-worth means you believe you have value even on your bad days. Not only when you are perfect, not only when you succeed, but always. Repeat this in your mind. I am enough, even while I am improving. Feel that. Many people wait for others to say, you are good, you did well, you are enough. This is called validation. And yes, it feels good, but if you depend on it, you become weak emotionally. Because one negative comment can change your whole mood. Instead, start giving that validation to yourself. Now ask yourself, what gives me energy? What drains my energy? Some people give you peace. Some situations make you tired. Notice that. Don't ignore it. This is called self-awareness. The more you understand yourself, the stronger you become. Now let's talk about something important, your inner voice. That voice inside your mind that talks to you all day. Sometimes it says, you are not good enough. You always fail. This is called negative self-talk. But here's the truth. That voice is not always right. So next time you hear it, pause and ask, is this a fact? Would you say to your friend, you are useless? No. Then why say it to yourself? Instead, say, it's okay. I will improve. I am learning. This small change is powerful. Sometimes you feel guilty for saying no, but remember, you are not responsible for everyone's happiness. You are responsible for your own well-being. You don't need a perfect life to feel happy. Happiness is in small things: a quiet moment, a cup of tea, a short walk, a deep breath. Notice these moments. They matter. Don't wait to become perfect, because perfect doesn't exist. Instead, focus on small progress, one better choice, one kind sentence to yourself, one honest no. That's enough. Now repeat slowly. I respect myself. I can say no. I am learning. I am improving every day. Very good. You don't need to change everything today. Just one small step, maybe one boundary, maybe one kind thought, maybe one moment of rest. That is enough. That's it for today. If you stayed till here, you are growing, not just in English, but in life. Keep learning, keep speaking, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. I'll see you in the next episode of English Flow Podcast Official. Take care and keep learning.